What is going on, guys? So today you can see that I am installing something. I'm up to my shenanigans again. But what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna be installing a aftermarket spoiler, a deck spoiler. And what I am really extremely excited about is the fact that this is my second sponsor. They reached out to me and they told me to pick whatever I wanted to review, and here it is. This is for the Model Y, Model 3, Model Y, real carbon fiber, 100% ready install, perfect fit. This is from EVBASE, right over here. So I'm really excited to do this one. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick unboxing with you. They're a company based in China, I believe, but the inventory is in California. Yep. So we're gonna unbox this right now. What's in here? We have some blue masking tape, 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape. We have the lining tab, and we have instructions. And with this instruction comes a QR code. But let's see if it comes pre-installed with the 3M tape, in which it does. Right here. 3M VHB, very high bond. So this is dope. And also this one comes with that red pinstripe that's painted on, I believe. So it's a high gloss, I guess it's a real carbon fiberglass. It's high gloss, extremely high gloss. And overall, this is how it looks. Like that. I just washed the vehicle. All I had to do is wipe it down, put some alcohol on it. Now this goes on like that, I believe. Like that. Slips right on. Take a few pictures of it. How's it? So here is how it should look. And then this part looks to be good too. So we're gonna put this on. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down. Wipe it with alcohol and just slip this on. Okay, so just taking a look around again, getting a view from the profile. It does have an extended spoiler from the factory, but this is gonna extend it even more. All right, so next, take the spoiler out. And right here, you can see that the spoiler has like extended lip. So this should be the top part. I don't think this is the bottom part. Although technically, I think you could fit it either way. Let me see. Can you fit it this way? Nope. There's only one way you could fit it. One way you could fit it is like this. So only one way it could go in. We're gonna fit this both ways so the edges are not sticking out. All right, so this should be good. As you can see from here, I don't want either side sticking out way too much. I want it to stick as much as possible. I think that's it. All right, and we are going to align it like that. Okay. We're also going to align it like this. There is very little light now, so okay. It's not much light going on. What we're gonna do is just stick tape here so it aligns. Okay. All right, so what we're gonna do is carefully just cut the tape. lines. Make sure this part lines here. This part lines here. This part lines here. Like that. Alright, so right here we have just 4 3M tape that we're going to remove like so. And just start from the middle, I guess. It's pretty easy to remove right now. And the other one is like right here. The other one is right here. Probably not the best weather. It's getting kind of chilly. But here we have it. All right, this is going to be the top. And we're just going to align everything and then pull. So make sure this one splits down and this one splits up. This one splits down and this one splits up like that, right? And then we're just going to align it like that, like that, and like that. Just push in. All right, it's all good. Yep. Are we good on each side? Okay. All right, and then we're just going to pull. On this side, on that side. Okay. And then we'll finish off on the other side. Like right here. Start pulling from here, pulling from the bottom, just pushing it. Alright, so that's good. Should probably heated it up actually. Alright. And thank you for EVBASE for sponsoring this video. EVBASE real carbon fiber spoiler. And here we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a more in-depth review on it, but this is basically how you install it. Now the install video from them is probably way more informative than mine because of my lack of light. But I think I gave you guys a good idea of how to go ahead and align everything. And overall the 3M tape is pretty impressive. I like it. I like the fact that it's thick and not thin, and therefore will keep most of the debris from coming out. And I'll leave this on for quite some time and then I'll remove it. All right, and I'll check back in. But for now, thank you for tuning in and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. All right guys, so it is the next day and here we are in full autumn. Let's take a look at the car from far away. I'm gonna go up closer. Now here is the spoiler, all installed. Took out all the tape. And you got like that red pinstripe right along here that's kind of painted on. Sealed with the gloss clear coat. Extends way out there. Looks pretty good. Another thing about the EVBASE spoiler is the quality. Quality of the whole unit itself, the product itself is nice, it's solid, it's rigid. Still pretty lightweight compared to the other ones. Other ones that you could get from Amazon is very flimsy, not as high quality, not as high spec. So you get what you pay for. Definitely gives it a nicer, more aggressive look from the rear. Go further out. From top down. Install was pretty simple again. Just follow instructions. And what I did was I actually taped everything and made sure all the glue made contact overnight, 24 hours. And then now when you press on it, you don't hear the unsticking part of it. It's nice and flush. You look from bottom to top, it's a nice aggressive look. It extends outwards. And with this one, there's a little elevated portion right here. You can see the curvature. So this is a nice, pretty much nice performance type of spoiler, aftermarket spoiler from EVBASE. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Alright guys, so here you see a Juniper, the same Junipers back to back, left and right. As we zoom closer, you can see the spoiler is installed on the EVBASE. The EVBASE spoiler is installed on the right. And you can see it here side by side. It's a really subtle look, but it definitely changes the look from the rear. Now we'll go ahead and walk closer to it and give you guys a look. Here's the Juniper from the rear without the spoiler. And moving along, and here is the spoiler installed. Bottom to top look, bottom to top look. Right, and then the top to bottom, the top to bottom. Alright, so I hope that gives you guys an idea of the car. Alright guys, so that is the end of this installation video. Thank you to our channel sponsor EVBASE for supplying us with this, our own personal spoiler to review, and I'll touch up in a few weeks and let you guys know how this holds up long term. But at the same time, they do have an ongoing Black Friday sale right now, and if you use my personal affiliate link coupon code ilimit, you could get up to 26% off of this particular item. Check them out in the description down below. And on that note, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.